Hi everyone. I just wanted to put together a quick tutorial video to show you a new way to check for your staff's children's hours. I know the instructions that we send monthly are pretty cumbersome, and I'm guessing many of you probably don't take the time to do it. But I actually figured out a much easier way to do it. So I think you will all be happy, as am I, because I will be using the same report now going forward myself. So we start here at our dashboard, and then we click on reports. And then this step is the same as we used to do, module enrollments and completions. Click on that. And normally we would have you click here, but actually I'm going to have you click on training hours. You would find yourself in this drop-down box. I have everyone on my list because I can check everyone's, but you would only have yours. So I got Rebecca's permission to check hers for this tutorial video. So I'm going to check hers. So you would have your name there. And then this is where you filter for children's hours. You find this box here in filter by courses that says all CMHCM topics, and you do the pull down menu there, and we would click on children's trainings. Obviously, you could also click on ACT or infant mental health, but for this tutorial, we're doing children's training. So I'm going to click there. That's all you need to do for that. Scroll down here. You obviously can filter by some of these other attributes if you'd like. If you only have certain job titles you want to check, you can do that. But for most of you, for your purposes, you will just want everyone. Again, typically you would want to check all of your staff. If you have one particular staff member that you'd like to check, you can do your pull down menu and only check individual learner, and then it would bring up another box where you would choose that person. But most of you are going to probably want to check all of your staff. So that's what we'll do for this video. I think it's easier to show each user on a separate page. That's how it's easiest for me. Then you can easily scroll through. So I would recommend you clicking that. Leave this clicked so that our external trainings show up here as well. Completion date. Again, most of the time you probably want to check year to date. So I would say this year or year to date, either one is going to give you the same information. So we'll say year to date. So that would bring up the 1st of January and today's date, which is exactly what you would want if you wanted to see their progress for the year. Obviously, if you want to check just one quarter, you can do that, however you need to do it. And then scroll back up here and click on Run Report. It takes just a few seconds here, but then we should be able to see all of Rebecca's staff members and what they've completed for the year. It does take just a little bit of time, but here we are. So very clean report here showing this is the total that this person has for the year. And you can click through all of those right up here. She has 11 people, so you would click on each one. Click right through here. And you would see every one of your staff members and see where they are with their hours. It's that simple. Much less cumbersome than the way we used to do it. I hope this is very helpful to you. Obviously, some of your staff members don't require those children's hours. They will still appear on this report. So just so you're aware of that, you're only looking for the ones that have children's hours, but it's pretty simple and straightforward. If you have any other questions, please let me know, but I hope you enjoy this new, easy way to check children's hours. Thank you and have a great day.